What if you could copy the most profitable crypto traders on the planet without touching a single wallet, bridge, or smart contract? I just found out something that changed everything. In today's video, I'm going to be going over BitMEX and how it actually changed the trading game for me. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of BitMEX. So please make sure that you go to bitmex.com. So they have a 100,000 USDT prize pool up until the 5th of April. So please make sure that you stay tuned because they are going to be giving away, as I said, 100,000 USDT in rewards and prizes. And as I mentioned, there will be no extensions, so it will completely cut off on the 5th of April. And they'll be splitting the rewards between 4 different types of rewards. And they are as follows. So they will give away loss coverage if early trades don't go your way, a deposit cashback that just pays you for your funded account, and they will give you trading credits so you can have extra capital in your account and you can go explore the platform. They will also give you rewards if anyone signs up through your link and joins BitMEX. So what makes this difference from a typical exchange promotion? Well, the fact is that you can qualify for multiple different rewards and the rewards are stacked. So as I mentioned, they'll be giving it away in 4 different segments and you can qualify for more than one of them depending on your activity on your account. And this is important that you get into these pools as soon as possible because these pools will get claimed progressively. So the earlier you get in, the more you will be able to access. And it's only until the 5th of April. Guys, so let me just show you around the dashboard a little bit before we get on to the next point. So as you can see, you can do a lot on BitMEX. You can go here, you can buy crypto with one click buy, crypto deposit, or you can even convert it with no fees, which is actually amazing. You can look at the markets. As you can see, you have all of those tools. You can trade. Then you have tools, as you can see right there, and you can even use Trading View with BitMEX, which is quite cool. And then they have their rewards hub. Okay, guys, so look here, and BitMEX is the first CEX to integrate Hyperliquid copy trading. So I'm going to tell you now why this matters. So as you can see, there is a copy trading marketplace. So you can see all of the different people's trades that you can copy. Hyperliquid is a decentralized perpetual exchange, and that is known for attracting some of the most serious traders that are actually trading with their real capital, real strategies that have a fully transparent chain that anyone can go and verify. So this means that you'll get the best of the best traders. Okay, guys, and the appeal of copying these traders have always been obvious, but that has not been the problem. It's actually been the problem on the execution, and there were multiple different steps that you had to follow in order to actually copy their trades. So you had to set up a non-custodial wallet, you had to bridge funds across multiple blockchains, and you actually had to go and work through a small contract, which all requires technical skills and have a large amount of risk. So where BitMEX comes in right now, they have simplified the process and they've made the risk much less. BitMEX has completely changed by becoming the first centralized exchange to plug their data into the Hyperliquid data and actually bring it into the CEX environment. So you will get access to the same on-chain signals without ever leaving this centralized platform. Guys, so your funds will stay on BitMEX the entire time. No wallets, no bridge, no small contracts, no gas fees as well, which is pretty cool. So next up, let's go to the copy trading. So as you can see, we can go here to tools and we can go to copy trading. Okay, guys, so now what we are going to do is we are going to change to the copy leaders. As you can see, here is the leaderboard for the copy traders that are all under the Hyperliquid section. They are ranked by their on-chain performance. You can go and filter out different things like returns, withdrawals, or even which assets they focus on. So it's easy to find a trader that works for you. And the great thing is, because all of these data actually comes directly from the blockchain, it can't be cherry picked or manipulated. It's exactly what happens with the trader in real time. As you can see, the ROI right here and the win ratio is exactly how it is in real life because it comes directly from that blockchain data. Okay, guys, so once you find a trader that you are comfortable with and that matches your risk appetite, you can go and select how much of your balance do you want to allocate to this trade. You need to define a maximum drawdown limit, so if losses exceed what you were comfortable with, BitMEX will completely stop it. All you have to do is click copy, and with a single click, you will be copying the trader's trades. And at that stage, BitMEX will do everything automatically for you. So it will copy the trader's positions and it will do it proportionally according to the funds you put in. Okay, guys, and this is where it gets interesting. So you can actually go and you can take a bad trader and turn it into an opportunity by doing the reverse copy trading. So most platforms only allow you to copy a trader's trades that you think will actually win. But with BitMEX, it allows you to do something else, which is called reverse trading. And this is a total different ball game where this is actually a way for you to make money on a bad trader. Okay, guys, so if you find a trader on the leaderboard that you think is going to fail, you don't agree with their strategies, and you think they get over leveraged or they blow an account all the time, you can go and you can do a reverse trade. So what that means is, instead of copying exactly the trade they take, you will take the opposite position. This is a powerful tool in a bear market because finding a winner is actually really, really hard. Instead of going and waiting to find that perfect winner, you can now actually go and reverse copy trade a trader and make money off someone that is actually losing a trade by just doing the complete opposite. Okay, guys, and no other centralized exchange platform actually offers this. So this is something that makes BitMEX completely different and differentiates it from the market. The 100K prize pool is live right now. The link will be in the description. Sign up with my link below and copy your first trader and let your portfolio work for you while you don't. So that will be all for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.